Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the lifespan you can expect out of residential window film and factors that can affect that. All of our residential films are guaranteed to last forever. We'll even provide you a warranty stating that. That warranty is good to the original purchaser, and some of our films, that warranty is transferable. There's a lot of different factors that can affect the lifespan of the film. The biggest factor that affects the lifespan of the window film may surprise you. It's actually the sun and the sunlight. But don't worry, we give you a lifetime warranty to help with that. The second biggest factor that can affect the lifespan of the window film is how you take care of it. Whether you hire somebody to come in and clean your windows or whether you clean them yourself. The number one thing to stay away from is a window cleaner that's got like ammonia in it, like Windex. The best window cleaner is a non-ammoniated glass cleaner and microfiber towels. The third factor that we see that affects the lifespan of window film is everyday wear and tear. We've seen children draw on the window film. We've seen them place stickers on the window film. And you got to keep those dogs away from it with their claws and their noses too. Thanks for watching. If you like what we have to say, like and subscribe, or you can always call us. The number's right there on the screen.